Welcome to Learn Step by Step YouTube channel. Start with Peppa. Using a black marker, begin by drawing Peppa Pig. Draw an oval for her head, adding her characteristic snout pointing to the side. Include her two ears on top and her two eyes. Add a curved line for her smile. Draw her rectangular body with short, stick-like legs and arms. Don't forget her curly tail. Add George. Next, draw George Pig below Peppa. Draw a similar oval for his head and his snout. Add his two eyes and a smaller curved line for his smile. Draw his round body with short, stick-like legs and arms, and his curly tail. Complete Daddy Pig. Finally, draw Daddy Pig next to Mummy Pig. He is also large. Draw a large, rounded body and his head with a snout facing forward. Add his two eyes, glasses, and a curved smile. Draw his stick-like arms and legs, and his curly tail. Introduce Mummy Pig. Now, draw Mummy Pig above Peppa. She is larger than Peppa and George. Draw a large, rounded body and her head with a snout facing forward. Add her two eyes, glasses, and a curved smile. Draw her stick-like arms and legs, and her curly tail. Draw the sun. In the corner of your drawing, add a simple sun. Draw a circle and add rays extending outwards. Let's marker this pig's family. Add color. Now it's time to bring your drawing to life with color. Color Daddy Pig's face pink. Color Mummy Pig's face pink. Color Peppa's face pink. Color George's body pink. Color Daddy Pig's shirt orange. Color Mummy Pig's shirt orange. Color Peppa Pig's shirt red. Color George Pig's shirt blue. Color the sun yellow. Color the cheeks red to look more cute and healthy family. Hehe, just kidding. Do you love to watch Peppa Pig cartoon daily?